What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the blog, episode 15. First I want to say thanks to everybody who was worried about me going into the hospital. I got a bunch of random messages about it, and I'm okay now. So everything is good. Got a bunch of kind of small projects today, so I'm just going to blaze through all those all at once and just make an episode of that. Got a compressor housing, which we'll get to here in just a second. Some lower control arms. I know there's a shift knob, and then there's a piece of intercooler piping that we're asked to do a two-tone chameleon job on. I don't know how well that's going to turn out, so I guess we'll be experimenting a little bit today. All right, so this is the compressor housing we'll be doing. The customer has requested that we remove this lettering right here. This will be going, actually the same super sparkly gold that some wheels went, put a little clip in here somewhere. I don't know, a few episodes back. So I guess first things first, we're gonna shave this all off and get it masked off for blasting, get that going.
I will find mistakes in the lines of your face when you say my name, because when this ends I want someone to blame. Isn't that twisted, my love? Isn't that twisted, my love? I am so twisted. My love.
I also got these, I don't know, they're control arms or something for a BMW. Got to do a little bit of prep on them before I throw them in the blasting cabinet. I'm going to thread these all the way down. That'll protect the thread, the coating on the thread, stop corrosion. And then just got to plug the threaded holes on each end of these and get them in the cabinet. These are actually going yellow with a gold flake. They're to match that BMW valve cover I did not too long ago. All right, knocking out a bunch of these projects. Next one up is going to be this spring. I'm actually just using this to test a color. I've been working with a powder supplier, trying to find a copper that I actually like. For kind of a bigger project that's going to be happening this summer or this spring, I guess. So we're going to be doing a spray out of a sample of it right now. Just they sent me like 2 pounds of it to try to mess with and see if it works for what I'm doing. So we're going to throw a chrome base coat on this spring right now and then throw the copper on top of that. All right, and then after the spring is done, got an intercooler pipe. I'm going to be doing kind of a crazy teal candy. It's going to be a super deep metallic with a candy teal over top of that. Should look pretty badass when it's done. So we're going on those right now. All right, that wraps up another episode. As always, like, subscribe, comment, all the things. Still have more videos that I'm in the middle of editing. I'll get to them hopefully very soon. I just finished up 2 of the projects entirely, so now all the videos there, so it can all be edited and finished. And then working on another one, I'm guessing probably tomorrow. So I'll get this video up today, the day that I'm recording it, and then hopefully they'll start being one every 2 days now, because I'll have a little backlog of them I can put up. So yeah, I guess look forward to the next one.
You should have at least blown. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown.